Welcome back, race car. It's Friday, and it's peeing down. Yeah, peeing down. But yeah, thought I'd come down here. We need to get things done. So I'm going to try and attempt to do a couple of little jobs which are just on my tick list of things to do, so at least my task list is getting shorter, not sort of just getting percentagely shorter. So we got clutch bleeding, if we can do that by myself, and also the gear linkage underneath the car. We're going to try and bolt that up again, so nothing you'll be able to see. And then we're just trying to do a little bit more welding near the back. Let's see what we can just get done. We've got a couple of hours, so hopefully we can make some progress. Also got a load more parts arrive, some stupid parts and some useful parts. But yeah, we go from there. So let's crack on and see if we can get the clutch bled. These seem to seem like very weird clutches. I know they're the old Hall type anyway, but in the end the master cylinder is still supposed to be bleeding it. Got a bit of air out, spilled a load of brake fluid, that's what you saw. But the clutch pedal's got like a spring on it, so it like, you depress the clutch and it just sort of springs all the way to the floor. It's a bit weird. I can see the slave moving at a fraction, but only millimetres, but we'll keep bleeding it and see what's going on. Okay, first simple job's to fail. I was bleeding it. I'm sure there's all the air gone now. It moves a bit, but I've got a lot of slop here still. I was expecting the clutch to be pushed. You know, the clutch when you do it should be forcing its way back. So a little bit of movement there, so I might give it another couple of goes. Slave cylinder came with the engine, so it's for a turbo one. That's all I'm worried about. Clutch master's obviously just from the original car, so could be a slightly different size, but should still be doing what it's supposed to be. Not too sure if there's supposed to be a spring on here. There's another hole here. Not too sure about that. Maybe it looks like there's supposed to be a spring up here. I wonder if that would do much. But anyway, very strange. I'll have another quick go and then have to do some research later. Unless any Subaru people just tell me what I'm doing wrong. Okay, well, I completely successfully carried out one of my other tasks, which was bolt the gear linkage up from underneath. A little bit tricky, but once I got under there, it wasn't so bad. Maybe one day it might sound like that. Maybe not so quick. Alright, I might crack on and do a bit of welding. Yeah, let's do some welding. We need to do welding. Don't put it off, Matthew. Okay, I'm putting it off. It's raining. I'm just putting it off. So basically, got some cheap bonnet pins, £5 each off eBay. That'll get the bonnet going. Made up some, got some custom number plates. Hide up the exhaust a bit, and just give it. I don't know why I need number plates on a race car. Well, you don't at all. But looks fun, and I can use them for my other cars at some point as well. Things like that. Some nuts and bolts for the front cross member. I've got them. You can see the poly bush mounts that I've got that have been sitting in the car since I've collected them months ago. Shows how much I clean my car out. And I had to do it. I know I didn't need to. I really didn't. I could spend money in other places. Got myself a starting switch and everything for racing use only. This is what we're doing. We're racing. Well, we're not technically racing because it's not a timed event. But if you do happen to have a GPS dashboard that times yourself, it's just by accident. I bought myself a kill switch as well, just thinking maybe useful. But again, that's me getting bored on eBay on the way to work. Shouldn't do that. Ends up buying lots of stuff that you don't really need. But I think I did fairly well this time. Yeah, okay, I didn't need this. But yeah, but you always dream of this, can't you? Yeah, we all do it, don't we? We all do it. All right, come on, welding. Okay, I won't take you down there, but I promise I've done some welding on the rear arch. I'll say it again, it's not the prettiest. I say that quite a lot during this car. Everything's not the prettiest, not that I can do pretty stuff anyway. But yeah, it'll do. Yeah, time is tight. I do have a few people commenting that I don't think I've got enough time to do it. Well, we'll just see, won't we? You know, what's the end of the world? I run out of time, I run out of time. We've got the 16 valve. I shall take to race wars if I need to. But we'll keep going on this. I think we've got just under 4 weeks, I think, or 4 weeks. So I'll give myself 2 weeks and we can see what it's looking like. Just or you guys give me 2 weeks. See how much it's looking more like a race car. It's obviously looking a bit of a state at the moment and looking nowhere near finished. But yeah, just bear with. Yeah, you can just see the front there, the mounts I'm doing. Yeah. Roll cage was supposed to turn up today and it hasn't. Tomorrow, I hope, if it does tomorrow, hopefully a bank holiday Monday video of me showing you what the roll cage is going to look like, and maybe we can just sort of mock some bits up and just sort of see how it's looking inside the car, how it all goes together. Should look pretty awesome from what I've heard about it, but until it arrives, no one knows, do we? So yeah, all good for the moment. When you get bored, put on an arch. Yeah, as I said, I don't really like the style, but it'll be functional. Just got Nathan texting me. He might help come to help do the clutch. Good old Nathan. He's painting his minis at the moment. Anyway, yeah, so they're not my style, but it'll do. Function over form. Okay, just a quick end to the video, even though there's a big tractor in the background. Yeah, roll cage has arrived, so I'm just dropping that off. Ready to hopefully have a play over the weekend. Loads of bars in there. I think it's got a dash bar, harness bar, a crossbar. Might even have some door bars, I think, from what he's saying. Pete from Fabricage sorted me out. So yeah, I think he's left some of the legs slightly over length, maybe just to sort of compensate for the floor and things like that. Just don't know. But yeah, you got the main hoop there, and then we've got the two main bars going down. Yeah, and I think there's some spreader plates in there somewhere. I'm sure I've seen them earlier. Yeah, so we get it unloaded. I'm going to go swap my gas now because I'll be pissed about with the argon gas on the MIG welder. It's not ideal, so I'm going to be sensible. Go sort that out, even though I do need some argon to do the alloy dash rad, but we can get a smaller canister for that because I don't use argon as much as I need to. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Let's see what the bank holiday brings. Take it easy, guys, and pulled pork and pulled beef for tea, hopefully. And yeah, all good. Take it easy, bye.